In today's video, let's talk about how to use Deepseek for writing. Whether you're trying to do any type of writing, whether it may be business writing or creative writing, you can use Deepseek as a writing partner. So starting off, there are three core writing phases. Phase 1 is the brainstorm phase, where you can brainstorm different topics to write about. Secondly, the drafting phase. Thirdly, the refining phase. So starting off, let's take an example. Let's say I need to write a compelling product description for a new eco-friendly water bottle. If you want to go from an entire blank screen to generating a paragraph in an instant, you can add in simple prompts. So for example, if I have the basic features, but I don't know how to make it engaging, you can start off with a simple prompt that can overcome the initial block and generate a raw draft. So this is a prompt example. You can give in a similar prompt like this as well if you're starting off from scratch. Within seconds, it has generated this first draft, which I can use as a product description. But let's say if it feels a bit generic, and if I wanted to make it more exciting and actionable, instead of writing the prompt entirely, I can use a follow-up prompt to refine it. So the first prompt does not need to be the final outcome. You can always refine it and reprompt it and add in a follow-up prompt so that you get a better answer. As I said earlier, this is just an example of how you can use Deepseek. Whether you're writing for academic or even for creative types, you can use Deepseek in a similar manner. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell as well. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.